stand do you carry? Stick up your middle thumb.
Huh?
Stick up your thumb.
Is that what you did?
Yeah. This is actually a good spot to get all the video. Because
Oh, because we're right there, yeah. She's a young cop, that girl.
Yeah.
I'll bring the kids next time just to show them.
It is cool to see. Wish it would just be on our
It's
side.
like a
though.
parade.
Yeah. What the hell is that? Oh, sheriff.
Oh, sure.
Jeez, this looks like a crazy movie. Holy shit.
Right.
So they're gonna do this every single night for months? Holy fuck.
Maybe. Is that it?
I think more cops coming right there. Keep waving, la la la.
One last one. Ambulance, Canada flag,
God, who's this guy?
bad influence. He just follows them. I think he's just like a nobody. I think he just follows them.